Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Mac. Start by heading over to Steam, the primary platform for Euro Truck Simulator 2. The game is fully compatible with macOS, so you can download it directly. Before purchasing, quickly check your Mac specifications against the game's minimum requirements to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Once downloaded, the installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes. After downloading, Steam will guide you through the installation. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Adjust these to balance visual quality with performance, aiming for at least 30 frames per second. For the best experience, consider connecting a steering wheel or gamepad. Many popular models are plug-and-play compatible with macOS. Familiarize yourself with the basic keyboard controls for driving, including steering, accelerating, and braking. The in-game GPS is your best friend for navigation, guiding you along your routes. Take some time in the early stages to practice parking and maneuvering your truck, especially with a trailer attached. Mastering these skills will significantly improve your efficiency and enjoyment on the virtual roads. Once you are comfortable, consider exploring the vast world of game modifications, or mods, available through the Steam Workshop. These can add new trucks, maps, and features. Engage with the Euro Truck Simulator 2 online community. It's a fantastic resource for shared knowledge and even multiplayer convoys. Don't forget to personalize your truck with various paint jobs and performance upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.